Hello friend, welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. Here I am working on this 2007 Dodge Sprinter 2500 CRD. In different video we have replaced together this sliding door handle. There is one last project on this vehicle which the owner requested from me. He had a sticker here covering this hole. I don't know why there is so much rust. So I'm sure he wants to touch it up first. But he asked me if I can install for him this missing door stop or door holder. So I got a part from Mercedes-Benz. You can see how it looks inside. Okay. And I hope it will be just a screw on. I was ordering a bunch of other parts for these repairs from Mercedes-Benz dealers, so this was the item number for missing part, and the Mercedes-Benz calls it door holder. As you guys know, there is a very strong magnet in it, and that allows to open this door all the way around, and it will hold it. Very, very strong magnet. So let's see how the part looks like. I'm assuming this is a really just screw-on part. Let's go and look at it together. All right. Oh yeah. He was saying something about fishing out the bolt. I guess also this happened to him in past, but look at it. Now it's squishing already the body, the steel this way, so I will say that's enough. That's all what it needed. It's installed, and let's show how it really works. So designers made it so you can open it this way, and here is the stopper. But if I disconnect the stopper on inside, it should nicely click on that magnet. Let's see if it really will happen. Oh yeah, did you hear that? And now it really doesn't want to go off. I see. Boom, perfectly clicks, and it holds the door. We'll let you in here so you can see it, how they are, if I can say, kissing each other. You see that? So that was very easy, don't you think? It just screw on part. And please make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any future ones. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.